So every Friday, I post a video of some of my fast forwards from the week to both SharePoint and HighSpot. My personal robot, Timmy, first helps me compress the video, then upload it into HighSpot and SharePoint, and then send out a communication on email and Slack to everyone when the video is available. So we've gotten this process uploaded into the UiPath COE, so I see it with the rest of the COE processes available to all of our employees. Once I click it, it gives me a form allowing me to select this week's video and provide some words about what it is about. From here, Timmy takes over. And along the way, Timmy will ask me to double check the video compression worked, that I managed to log into our application hub, and that the uploads are processed correctly. During the time Timmy is working his magic, I can continue working on other things, perhaps even make a cup of coffee, and Timmy tells me when something is ready for me to review. Finally, once all the uploads are complete, Timmy will now ask me to double check the messages going out in email and Slack. This is just one small example of how I'm personally using our robots to help give me back some of my weekly working time, or perhaps allow me to take a break, have that cup of coffee I was talking about.